Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, I will show you how to create professional forms using Fluent Forms Pro and how to use them on your WordPress website. Whether you want a contact form, lead generation form, booking form, or multi-step form, Fluent Forms Pro makes it super easy without coding. By the end of this video, you will be able to create powerful forms, connect them to email notifications, and display them anywhere on your website, pages, posts, or even pop-ups. Now let's see what is Fluent Forms Pro. Fluent Forms Pro is a premium WordPress form builder that lets you create fast, flexible, and advanced form using drag and drop. With Fluent Forms, you can build contact forms, lead generation form, multi-step forms, conditional logic forms, payment forms, user registration forms, and it works perfectly with Elementor, Gutenberg, or any WordPress theme. Install and activate Fluent Forms Pro. Let's go to our dashboard and click on plugin and click on add plugin. Now let's search for Fluent Forms. Now you'll find free version of this Fluent Forms. Let's install this and click on activate. Now that it is activated, now the time is to install the pro version of it. Let's click on plugin and upload plugin, and now we will upload the premium file here. Now let's drag and drop let's install now. Now let's click on activate plugin. Now it is showing that the pro version is installed. So the time is to activate the license key. You will have to paste the license key over here. So now let's activate the license key. So the pro version of this plugin is activated. If you also need the pro version of Fluent Forms Pro, you can check the link in the description where I will provide you the activation service for this premium form. Okay, so now let's go to the form section and click on add new form, and let's choose the blank form. Now you can choose these general fields. So let's skip this name and email, a phone, a drop down where you can add multiple options, and then we'll choose for text area and then checkbox. You can also edit this checkbox items, and then let's go for file upload. This is the file upload. You can also customize this if you want. So we are not doing that right now, but you can do that. You just have to drag and drop the elements, and then the form will get created. Now you will have to click on save, and your form is created. This is the shortcode that you can use to insert this on your website pages. Now let's create a page. Let's name this as contact page and publish this. So this is our page for now. This is empty. We'll click on Elementor, and this will help us to edit the page. So instead of the one, we'll choose two. We'll select this and choose a color of on this. So we'll select this and search for Fluent Form, or you can also choose the option of shortcode, and we will choose this blank form, and we'll click on publish. and we will also change its blank form name to contact us form. Alright, so now let's refresh this. Now it is showing contact. Okay, now let's change the colors. Let's change the color of this label. This will be white, and the color of this we can do somewhere around here. This also changes some bit. Button color, this will be around. I think we are not having option to change this item color, so we will change it later on, but let's customize this first. Let's choose this as maybe 100 would be top, and the right would be, and left would be 50. Now let's just search for heading, paste it here, and change the color to white, and the font to enter. Okay, and let's select for a text area, text editor. Now let's paste this and so change its color. Now we will add maybe one container over here, and inside that we will put both of these, and we will duplicate this. We will write get in touch and some more content, and we will duplicate this and add contact information. I think this looks cool. Now the time is to change these item 1, 2, 3 color. Let's publish this first. Let's see how it looks. I think we are having some issue on this one. I think it should get solved. Yes, it is solved. Now the time is to change these color. So let's change this. Okay, so that means we have to copy this and go to customize, setting, and just change the color from here. Alright, it is done. Now I'm thinking to have a margin between this, so let's give this a margin of this is like a lot. So what we'll do is that instead of margin, let's do one thing. Let's put this inside a container, and we don't need actually this container, so we can just delete it, and we can we need a container first, so we will put this under this container, and we will add a padding in this. We'll add a padding of maybe 100. Yes, 100 looks cool, and we will give this a border radius of 50. Yes, I guess around 20 would be fine for now. And let's also make this responsive, and we will change the padding a little bit. Let's make this 50, and we'll change the padding to 20, and inside of that we will change the padding to 50 or maybe 20. Yes, this looks cool, and yes, we did it. Let's see the contact us page now. Yes, the form looks cool, neat and clean. And this is how you can make a contact page, contact form and contact us page using the Fluent Forms. Now you have settings and integrations. Where you will find multiple options, and if you want, you can add the email notifications. You can add a notification, for example, contact us form notifications. Let's name this as this, and let's just go to our login, to our email. So this is our email. Let's log in this, and we will add the email address of ours, and the subject would be same, and we will select this all data, and this will be from LearnWeb Academy, from like hello at note that the receiver and the sender email will be same for now because we are just testing it, but you can differentiate them. Note that for this to work you also need SMTP, so make sure you have that. Just because of this you will not be able to receive forms, right? For the SMTP setup you can watch my another video, and that will help you to configure everything. And you can just do this reply to and this save notification, and after that whenever someone will fill this form you will get a notification on your email. But make sure that the SMTP setup is done correctly. To get idea of that you can watch my previous video. I will give the link in the description and this iCard button, and that will help you to set up SMTP. So that's how you can create and use forms on your website using the Fluent Forms Pro. It's fast, flexible and perfect for beginners as well as advanced users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy and turn on notification for more WordPress tutorials like this.